Hey everybody, good morning. It's Miss Connor coming to you with our first trivia question that leads up to our discovery night. Our theme is a dream is like a river, and everything you're going to see in these trivia has to do with water. Now, some of you guys know that being a teacher was not my first career choice. My first one was marine biology, water. And my second one was being a meteorologist, and water is an important part of weather. You can't have weather without water. And so here goes a little weather and water trivia. What we have on our earth as far as water is all we are going to get. It is the water that has existed since the time of the dinosaurs. Same water, bro. I know it's weird, right? The water is constantly being recycled. So the water you drink today was also enjoyed by a dinosaur, a prehistoric animal. And the way that that happens is through the water cycle. The sun is a driver of our water cycle. So we know that it will rain. And in the water cycle, we call that precipitation. It collects, it accumulates in puddles, lakes, ponds, streams, and then the sun warms it up. And it will evaporate back into the sky, the atmosphere, where it cools and becomes more clouds. And so that's how water is continuously recycled and how we're still drinking the same water as, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Weather needs water. You cannot have weather without it. And some of my favorite weather is a storm called a hurricane. It's a really, really, really big storm that forms in the ocean in the summertime. And it's actually a tool that the earth used to cool off. Like we use fans and air conditioning if we're lucky. But the earth uses a hurricane to help cool itself. So this brings us to our trivia. Now, just a reminder, you guys are going to get the question, and as a class, you're going to figure out the answer, write it on the form, and have someone send it down to the front office and put it in the appropriate bucket. Here is your question. In what year did the first recorded hurricane hit the American colonies? What year? So I'm looking for a 4-digit number. The first time a hurricane was ever recorded to hit the American colonies. That was America before we were the United States. And there's little Benjamin Franklin going, what? Okay, look it up, work together, get that date and send it down. Can't wait to see who the winner is. Yay!